Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to replace all the exterior lights on your 2021 Chevy Silverado. From headlights to taillights, it's a quick upgrade that really changes the look and performance of your truck. Now to make it simple, each section is timestamped in the description, so you can just jump straight to the light you want to swap out. I'm gonna come with my T10 star bit drive here, unscrew all of these screws. Once I have them all unscrewed, I can peel back this panel here, and that'll give me access to the light. So I'm just gonna reach in here and peel off this rubber covering so that I can reach inside and remove the old halogen light. I'm just gonna remove the clip right there and it'll pop right off. So I'm just gonna put on these gloves here that came in the box to make sure that I'm not getting the new lights dirty. You can already see the difference here. This is the old halogen light, and then this is our new LED light. Much brighter, much better. All right, so come down here. I'm gonna be installing the new LED light into the housing here. So I'm peeling back this cover again so that I can access the light housing. Just gonna make sure that this little piece here is gonna go into that top clip when I press it in. And it just clips right into place. Now I can fit it into that light housing. I'm just gonna twist it into place, and there it goes. Okay, so now that I've installed the light, I gotta make sure to put this cap back on. So I'm gonna walk you through it super quick. I've got my hood popped, and I'm just gonna come right here and just grab this rubber cover, pop it right off. After I've got the cover off, I can reach in there. I can just twist that bulb out, and I can bring it up here. To get the bulb off, I just have to press down on this lever and it'll pop right off. So here's the side-by-side. We have the robustly designed, sturdy AUXITO bulb and the cheap stock halogen. So now I'm just clicking the new bulb right into place here. I'm gonna feed it back into the housing. Now just put the rubber cover back on. So this one is super simple. I just have to reach down in here. Then I'm just gonna twist and pop out the old bulb. Once I have it out from under the hood, I can just pop out that old halogen bulb and replace it with this new LED. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the old halogen and the new LED. And you can see just how dramatic the difference in design is here. So again, now the installation is super simple. I'm just gonna pop it into place here and then reach in, twist it right into place. So I'm gonna take my T10 star bit drive again and just unloosen these screws right here. Pop this out and twist off these top and bottom. Pop off the old halogen bulbs. Here's the side-by-side comparison of the old halogen light and that new crisp LED. Pop the new ones in and twist them into place. Back into place. Just unfasten them like this. Reach in, pop off this back plate. Grab it, twist, and pop. Remove this old halogen bulb. Here's the side-by-side comparison of that old halogen light and this fresh new LED. High quality versus this fragile old technology halogen. Pop the new bulb right into place. Twist and sink the bulb into the socket. Sink the panel back on. Put the screws into place, and then you're done. Just unloosen these screws right here. Pop this out and twist off these top and bottom. Pop off the old halogen bulbs. Pop the new ones in and twist them into place. Back into place. So I have access to these two screws that I've already loosened with this. Pop the red panel, pop out this bottom light here with just a twist and a pull. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Popping this new light into place, easily fitting it back into the slot. Slide the red panel back into place, put these screws back where they belong, and then we're done. So I'm gonna start by just loosening these screws here. So once I have these screws loose, I'm just gonna grab the top and bottom and pop that right off. So I'm just gonna twist, pop right out. Slide the new ones right in. I'm gonna lock them back into place with a twist. Pop the housing back into place, finish the job by securing the screws. Loosening these screws here. I'm just gonna grab the top and bottom and pop that right off. Twist, pop, twist, pop. Each bulb is just gonna pop right out, just like that. So here's the side-by-side comparison. Slide the new ones right in. Lock them back into place with a twist. Pop the housing back into place. First, I have to get down onto my back, reach up on either side of the license plate is where I'll be able to find where those lights are hiding. I just twist, pop it out. Now I can just pull that old halogen light out. Here's the side-by-side, pop it back into that housing, and then I twist it into place. And that's it. Now you know how to replace all the exterior lights on your 2021 Chevy Silverado. For this install, we used AUXITO LEDs, brighter, longer lasting, and far more modern than your stock bulbs. If you're ready to make the same upgrade, check the link in the description.